Still worried about oil yield? QIE Group's loop-type extractor brings the breakthrough. Low oil yield, limited equipment capacity, or frequent downtime are these challenges you face? QIE Group's loop-type extractor is the solution. In edible oil processing, stable and efficient equipment is the key to oil yield and quality. Our loop-type extractor is designed to deliver both. It features adjustable material levels and anti-leakage devices, ensuring smooth operation. The curved section design flips materials as they move to lower layers, achieving even distribution and better solvent contact. As air salt, residual oil in wet meal can be reduced to below 1%. This extractor also means lower energy use, shorter extraction time, and higher recovery rates. With its high-performance drive system, it runs stably for long periods, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Perfect for large-scale continuous production. For medium or large edible oil plants, QIE Group offers customized solutions and one-stop service, from equipment supply and installation to commissioning and long-term technical support. With QIE Group, your production is efficient, stable, and worry-free.